Well, of course, something big jumps 15, 20 feet away from me in the opposite direction where I'm casting. Let's go over there, see what happens. It's probably that one I missed a while ago. Got him. Oh, just a little guy. Just a little guy. Just a tiny little dink. Let's go get this hook off of here and get him back in the water. Just a tiny little largemouth, half a pound or so. But hey, first fish is on. Holy moly. I don't know if y'all can see that in the camera or not, but I don't know. On the other side of the little creek there, something big just breached. There we go. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? A little bit better than the last one. Still a little bit of a dink, but I really got to figure out my setup for this so I can do this easier. Come on. Oh, stop it. Got this one good. I might need the pliers for this one. Come on, get off of there. There we go. All right, second one of the day. Still just a little small one, but hey, you know what? Any fish is a good fish. Going back home. It's not really where I wanted to be positioned. One good thing about having the Dadbod is that I actually just positioned my paddle underneath my belly to hold it in place while I was casting that. First cast with a new worm, and I put it in the damn trees because I'm an idiot. Of course, now I'm hitting another headwind. Can't catch a break with the wind today. It's not heavy, it's just a light breeze, but just enough to blow me off to the side a little bit or slow me down.